Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the interlock switch plunger in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new interlock switch plunger. The interlock switch plunger engages and disengages the interlock switches when the door is being opened and closed. If your dishwasher won't turn on when the door is closed, it's time to check the interlock switch plunger and replace it if needed. Open the door. Take out the 8 Phillips screws that holds the inner and outer doors together, and then separate them. Latch the inner door and open the outer door. Using the flat blade screwdriver, carefully, not to break the tabs, lift them up and remove the interlock switch cover. Memorize or take a picture of how the plunger is mounted. Then, while holding the spring with one hand, remove the old plunger. Don't let that spring to get away. Remove the spring and put it aside. This is the old interlock switch plunger next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide this spring onto the new interlock switch plunger. Refer to the picture you took earlier and install the plunger and spring. The two plunger shoulders should be right under the two switch actuators. Install the interlock switch cover. Position the air diverter on the outer door and install the inner door in place, matching the holes. Secure the doors together with the 8 Phillips screws. And then close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.